Go lay down.
After two puppies. The other one. Look, mommy. There's one more is crawling.
They're all crawling.
This one has to wait for a little while. Mimi. Come on, let's practice. Okay. What?
Excuse me.
My leg getting tired.
Your leg's getting tired?
Yeah.
Madison, if it falls, it'll die.
I'm trying to help it walk. It won't walk. Come in. It's time for your...
Madison, don't pull it by its legs.
Sorry. You get up.
¿Qué te digo?
I'll put him down on the floor now. Huh? No, go. 3 are walking and 1 still has to wait for a little while. Right, Mommy?
I think he does walk. He just is tired.
Look at that one.
It's funny.
He's trying to get up here.
They are too freaking cute. They walk all funny. They waddle.
Look at it.